He's most visible at the Blizzard Tour as the lead of Group 4.
No, we never got lost. I guess that's always a positive thing. So, no, he's a good lead.
Okay, boys, we got to take
That's
a
it?
dinner.
Have to.
Maybe I should come with.
Nothing personal.
Can I come with?
Yeah. Come on, you can ride on the back.
All right.
Dan Hartel is an original Blackwoods Blizzard Tour rider, joining the tour because a friend was diagnosed with ALS. So his commitment to the ride runs deep.
Danny does care, and he sees a problem, whether it's ALS, and he sees the need out there, and Danny just loves to help. That drives Danny. I mean, he's just a motivated guy. Danny's just a great businessman, and this event needed to get to the next level was a guy like Danny Hartel with the business sense and the insight, and to be able to take this to the next level.
Dan's business, Hartel's DBJ Disposal, is a huge supporter of the event, in more ways than one.
Whatever we need, they're always there, and they actually have a big fabrication shop, so when we need weird signs and people break stuff and somebody's got a stupid idea that's going to save us a ton of time, Danny's shop builds amazing stuff. So yeah, there's more to it than just having dumpsters around up at Cirrus.
Yeah, he talks about the Blizzard Tour a lot, and I know he really enjoys going out and riding with you guys.
In fact, Hartel served on the Blizzard Tour board for its first 14 years.
How did you do that, Dan? We were in a car and you almost beat us here.
We're within the speed limit at all times, Steve. That's what you're asking.
But even though he's dropped off the board, his passion is still high.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. How did you get some more?
He is an exaggerator,
After last night, you probably don't need so many.
I got 2 extra that I don't want to use.
Exactly.
Good point.
That's because he loves this event, which is why Dan Hartel is this year's Wes Blakesley Most Valuable Rider recipient.